Welcome to our quick guide on the Cielo Breez Max Mini Split Thermostat. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the intuitive on-screen controls that make managing your home comfort a breeze. First, let's familiarize you with the icons you will see on the idle screen. You will see room temperature, mode, Wi-Fi connection, wake-up button, and the icons of presets and schedules if you've enabled them. Now let's explore the additional icons that appear on the control screen. You'll see the temperature set point, room humidity, fan speed, and swing position. Adjusting the temperature set point of your mini split. To adjust the set point of your mini split, simply use the up or down buttons on the screen. Changing the mode of your mini split. To change the mode of your mini split, touch the menu button once. The mode will start blinking. Use the up or down button to select the desired mode. Wait a few seconds for the selected mode icon to stop blinking, and it will be set. Changing the fan speed. To change the fan speed, touch the menu button twice. The fan speed icon will start blinking. Now, use the up or down button to adjust the fan speed to your liking. Adjusting the swing position. To adjust the swing position, touch the menu button 3 times. The swing position icon will blink, allowing you to use the up or down button to set your desired position. Changing the preset. Touch the preset button on the device. Tap it repeatedly to select your desired preset: home, away, or sleep. Locking, unlocking the display interface. To lock or unlock the display interface, touch and hold the temperature up and down buttons at the same time until the lock icon on the top right of the screen turns solid or disappears. Now you're ready to make the most of your Breez Max. Enjoy the comfort and control it brings to your home. For more details, visit support.cielo.com.